Do you ever feel like insects have taken over your home? Flies, ants, cockroaches. It's like they have an open invitation. But what if I told you that with just a few ingredients from your kitchen, you can make them vanish? Let's dive into an amazing all-natural DIY pest spray that'll help keep your home bug-free. Let's get started. Grab a frying pan and add 300 to 500 milliliters of water. We'll heat it up and add 3 tablespoons of cloves. Cloves have been used for centuries for their strong aroma, which naturally repels insects. Throw those cloves in and let the mixture come to a boil. You'll know it's ready when the water turns a nice rich brown. Around 2 to 3 minutes should do it. Now for the fun part. Once your clove water is ready, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Be careful, it'll fizz up. This reaction isn't just satisfying to watch, it also helps enhance the spray's pest-repelling properties by creating a solution that bugs don't want to touch. Pests hate baking soda because it can disrupt their pH balance, kill them, or dry out their exoskeletons. After the fizzing stops, pour this powerful mix into a spray bottle. Now here's the extra touch. Add 3 or 4 bay leaves. Bay leaves are another natural insect deterrent, and combined with cloves and baking soda, they make a scent barrier that most bugs won't cross. Now that we've got our pest control spray, let's talk about where to use it. Spray this mixture around door frames, window sills, and any spots where bugs tend to enter. Don't forget water passages like sinks and drains, under kitchen cabinets, and around garbage bins. This keeps insects like flies, ants, and cockroaches away from your home. Make sure to give special attention to areas like the bathroom and kitchen. Anywhere bugs love to hang out, this spray will help prevent them from entering, and if they're already inside, they'll want to leave. And that's it, a quick and easy all-natural solution to keep pests out of your home. If this video was helpful, give it a like and let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I love hearing your stories and feedback. Try out this spray, share your results, and let's keep our homes bug-free naturally. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on an unbelievable trick for getting rid of cockroaches with aluminum foil balls. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.